Don't roll away. Today, the live streaming host will take you to operate the blister machine in the first person. Let's go to the blister workshop on the second floor. Live streaming hosting is the operation of the company. First, let's do our operational responsibilities. Shoot. A blind shot. Take a picture here. Take a picture over there too. The blister supervisor here is preparing the plates. Throw. Stroke. Break. A 6.5mm plate was torn into 4 pieces by his hands like this. The live streaming host is stunned by the sight. Now it's the live streaming host's turn.
然后哪一个？
Clean the board.
这里用哪一面？ 已经放上去。
It's over. Why can't you go down?
太长了。
Fortunately, there is a master by the side. If I'm the only one doing it, I feel like this machine is going to explode. Heat for 165 seconds. Okay, it's roasted. Vacuum absorption. I'll give you a close-up of the movement mirror while it cools down. Out of the pot.
直接拿出来吗？烫不烫的？
To be honest, it's a bit hot. I feel the hard work of the blister master.